Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car we originally sold from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside the car though, you get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. Features the top of the range turbocharged 1.2 litre PureTech engine, so it gives you 130 horsepower, has a 6-speed manual gearbox and it's done less than 9,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.